Are you ready to see why the RedMagic 11 Pro 2025 is dominating the gaming phone world this year? Can a phone really beat iPhone 16 or Galaxy S25 Ultra for gaming? Let's find out. The RedMagic 11 Pro is a true gaming monster. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, it offers lightning-fast performance. And with up to 24 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte UFS 4.1 storage, it handles any game without lag. Even heavy multitasking won't slow it down. Its 6.85-inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate and 3000 Hz touch sampling delivers ultra-smooth visuals and perfect responsiveness for competitive gamers. No notch, no distractions. Just a full-screen experience with the 16MP under-display camera. Cooling is insane. RedMagic 11 Pro comes with AquaCore liquid cooling plus a 24,000 revolutions per minute turbo fan, vapor chamber, and liquid metal spreaders. This means maximum gaming without overheating, something regular phones can't handle. Battery life? Massive. It packs a 7,500 milliamp hours battery with 80W wired and wireless fast charging, so you can play for hours. It even supports two-way wireless charging for accessories. Gamers will love 520Hz shoulder triggers, stereo speakers, and 3.5mm headphone jack, making gameplay precise and immersive. Camera lovers, don't worry. Dual 50MP rear cameras handle everyday photography, even if this phone prioritizes gaming over photography. Software runs RedMagic OS 11 on Android 16, optimized for gaming, with customizable performance profiles and gaming tools. So, the big question is, would you choose the RedMagic 11 Pro over the iPhone 16, Galaxy S25 Ultra, or other flagship phones for gaming? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Tech Talk, and share this video with friends who love gaming and tech. Your support helps this channel bring more latest tech, gaming phone reviews.